In today's video, we are going to show you how to send a receipt in Xero. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. On the top menu, I want you to click the sales option and scroll down until you find the invoices. This is where all your invoices, including draft, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and paid invoices. Now, to send a receipt, you need to open the invoice that has already been marked as paid, which is this one. So you will see. Now, click on the invoice that you want to send a receipt for. For example, we have the third invoice that I wanted. Now scroll down to the payment section to confirm that the payment has been applied. Once an invoice is fully paid, Xero automatically treats the invoice as a receipt when you send it. Okay? That means in Xero, if you can't find the send receipt button, it is not available in your account. But remember, the paid invoice itself serves as the official receipt. Now, in this case, all I have to do is super simple. I want you to click the three dots icon where you have the option to email this transaction as the official receipt. Now, you also have the option to edit the email message to clearly state that this invoice, which is going to be the official receipt, has been paid. Review all the details correctly, especially your brand and logo. And once everything looks good, all I have to do is click the send email button. And that's it. That's how you send a receipt in Xero. It's quick, simple, and once you know that a paid invoice acts as the receipt, the process becomes much easier. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.